Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Imran. I, with my friend Muhammad Aidiel Ikhwan and Muhammad Ariff, will present about our Project 1 of EQT 271 Statistics. So our data is entitled Yearly Average Retail Price of Subsidized Item and Under Price Control.
So for the project background, price control are government mandate legal minimum or maximum price set for specific goods. For example, rice RM 2.16 cent per kilogram. A subsidy is an incentive given by the government to individual or business in the form of cash, grants or tax break that improve the supply of certain goods and service. For example, petrol RM 30 cent per litre in Malaysia. This project will be focused more on the average retail price of the subsidized item for food item in Brunei, which is from 2010 until 2018. This data has been taken from the Department of Economic Planning and Statistics, Ministry of the Finance and Economy.
In our project, we have 4 objectives. The number one objective is to analyze the trend of price change of items yearly. The second one is to determine the average retail price of items in 9 years. The third one is to compare the subsidized price between food categories, and the fourth one is to identify the most and least subsidized items.
The first objective is to analyze the trend of price change of item yearly. The line graph shows the trend of price change of subsidized item yearly. The total price of subsidized item for each year are being collected from 2010 until 2018. So based on the graph, the highest total price of subsidized item is in 2017, which is $139.13, while the second highest price item is in 2018, which is $138.86. So next, for the second objective, to determine the average retail price of item in 9 years, the bar graph shows the average retail price of subsidized item in 9 years. From the data, we can see ordinary Thai rice earned $8.21, while fragrant Thai rice earned $11.83. So by comparing to the 5 different types of rice, Laila rice has the highest average price, while the glutinous rice has the lowest average price. This is because Laila rice is the naturally packed with vitamin and mineral, so it have high demanding. So next, for oil, vegetable oil earn $9.15, while corn oil earn $12.81. Then by comparing to the 3 different type of oil, corn oil has the highest average price, while palm oil has the lowest average price. This is because compared to the combined stripping and solvent process, corn yield is much lower and its market share also low.
So right now we are going to continue with the third objective, that is to compare the subsidized price between food categories. So from our food items, we have categorized it to 4 categories, that is rice, sugar, oil and milk. So this data shows the price of subsidized food items including rice, sugar, oil and milk. So the price of subsidized milk categories is the highest with 55 Brunei dollar. This is because the type of milk subsidized is important to people, that is infant formula milk powder and maternal formula milk powder. The price of subsidized rice is 52.15 Brunei dollar. This is the second highest price of subsidized food items. This includes 5 types of rice, including fragrant Thai rice, ordinary Thai rice, Laila rice, pusu rice, and glutinous rice. The price of subsidized oil categories is 26.23 Brunei dollar. There are 3 types of oil, in our project, including vegetable oil, corn oil, and palm oil. The next category is for sugar, that is the least subsidized category with 1.59 Brunei dollar. This is due to sugar normally being sold in 1 kilogram pack, and also the type of sugar subsidized is only one. So right now we are going to our fourth analysis with the objective to identify the most and least subsidized item. In this table, I have listed all the items with the average price for 9 years. This is the amount of subsidy that is given. So from my observation, I can see the infant formula milk powder is the most subsidized with 38.24 Brunei dollar. This is due to the importance of the milk for development of newborn babies, and the price got a lot of subsidies due to the original price is very expensive. The least subsidized item in our list is sugar with 1.59 per kilogram. This is due to it being sold in 1 kilogram pack as opposed to rice that is being sold for 10 kilogram bag. The second reason is the original price of sugar is already cheap and does not require much subsidy.
Last for conclusion. In conclusion, this project used four different method analysis, which is line graph, bar graph, pie chart, and table to analyze the data. This method is really useful to determine the average retail price of subsidized item in Brunei from 2010 until 2018. Based on the line graph, the trend of price change of subsidized item yearly are being analyzed. The graph reached the highest data at year 2017, which is $139.13. Moreover, based on the bar graph, the average retail price of subsidized item in 9 years are being determined. Due to the high cost production, in fact, formula milk powder has the highest average price compared to the other item. Next, based on the pie chart, the price between food categories are being compared. By comparing to the four different food categories, milk has the highest retail subsidized price compared to the others item. And last, based on the table, sugar is the most cheapest item while infant formula milk powder is the most expensive item. That's all. Thank you.